Hey everyone, I'm Chelsea. Today we're going to be compounding Rub 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 made by our lovely compounder Garrick. Rub 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 is super easy to use. All you have to do is take a nice scoop out when you get into the shower and lather it onto the skin, and it'll gently exfoliate. To start off, Garrick will be taking some jasmine flowers and he'll be making a jasmine infusion in which he takes the jasmine flowers and steeps them in hot water.
Let that infuse for a little bit.
Next, Garrick will be slicing and peeling the lemons by hand. Then we'll be blending them up into the mix. The next thing Garrick will be adding is surfactants, colors, and fragrance.
Cool.
The fragrance contains jasmine absolute, mimosa absolute, and lemon oil. It's like a little bit flowery and a little bit of lemon.
Now we just have to add the lemons as well as the infusion.
The next thing Garrick's going to do is leave it overnight. So the next day, Garrick will be adding our fine sea salt, which gives Rub 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 its exfoliating properties, but in order to do that, he'll need a hand from our compounder Sash.
I drill, you salt, or?
You do.
Yeah, you drill. Okay.
Once Garrick and Sash mix Rub 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 to the perfect consistency, the mix will then be moved over to our filling team, who will actually fill it in our black pots in order to ship out to the stores.
3, 2, 1.
That's it. Are we doing it together?
You say it, okay.
That's how you make Rub Rub Rub.
And that concludes our video, everyone. Thanks for watching. If you like what you saw, please like our page and subscribe. And if you have any more ideas for future videos, our comments are down here. Please leave one.